Kanay kadega jing plasya mensim jung une urang ba na kanem muslim. Ubas ngotu ba udon kam ya ka jing pelat na ki mensim baman. Kumta ula duwai ha u Allah jung u ban pelat ya u na ki bor jung u soitan. Hynrei kum ha kata kapor ula iohsngew ya kasur ka baong wanra ya ka Kyrteng U Jisu. Kanay ka jing pla jung u ka balapan kala siya ka tin kasi na ka benta jung pi ki paralok ki bamsnutu ya ka tin pareng. Bat na kabenta jung pi ki parlok ki basnutu ya ka tin pareng pat pila ban sngap hi ya ka ke ba une urang ba ula ya tu daladehi ya ki benta ba kam syadin jung kanay ka video. Une urang ba ula ya tu kumne. Ngasnutu siya ya ka jingdan ki mensim baman hajan junga. Bat ngasnutu ba ka jingdan jung kine ki mensim baman ka bu ya ka jingim ka junga ka jingma. Bat ngatit hapok ka mensim junga. Badai usoitan, bat ki mensim soitan, ki mensim jung ki Ksuid. Kumta ngala duai bat dumok ya usoitan haka Kyrteng jung u Allah, haka tin parsi, ka badai ka tin junga. Bat ngala ong blayerap yana, bat marsin dep ong blayerap yana, ngayo snow ya kasur ka basyay bha ka baong duai haka Kyrteng U Jisu. Bat haka taka kelitmat, klem dep perkat ay. Ngala ong Jisu lada medam sisya pen iya lade hanga bat wat haswa bangan dep keren usaitan ula pet yapno kanay kadai ka jing sedang jung ka kana siapang ka jing im junga bat kamdai setia ka kana siapang ka jing kala junga ndai kadai ka kana ka balapan kal marjimut yana ngatip bangalale pop ka jing im ka junga kata ka kalitman bat ngetip bau Jisu ulong bahak bat unsa bisyar yana. Bat ngetip bau Jisu day unong bisyar bahak. Bat kumta kala syang hok yana bandiap namar kipop junga. Bat hakata kapor na iohsngew bau kata eka terpeng kadiang junga. Bat ula ngalamam yepi. Bat ngam slutu kumno kata kala banlong. Namar barabor na iohsngew siapang u Allah ba uday u badap daka jing isun ay hynrei ngintip pat siapang la ulamam na yangi tat haduk kasngi jong ka jing bisyar kabangin satip ba u Allah ulamam yangi kumta ngala kali u piday u balamam yana namar bangasnutu bangalayo mam hakata kapor. Pada banga kali u medai u ula ong ngadai ka lenti ka jing sisya bat ka jing imde. Hynrei ngam snutu setia siapang kine ki kentin namar bangam iohsngew setia siapang jungki. Kumta nga kali u ka ka Kyrteng jungbe. Bat ula ong ngadai u Jisu Kris u blay u bain. Bat hakata kapor nga kelon hamadan bat nga ong
and I felt literally a presence of a spirit. This spirit immediately made me feel like my life is in danger. I knew in my heart what we call shayateen, satanic, demonic spirits. So I started rebuking it in the name of Allah, and I just cried out in Farsi, my own native language, said, God help me. And the moment I said that, as clear as you hear my voice, I heard a voice. And that voice said, bring the name of Jesus. And the words that came out of my mouth sounded without thinking, Jesus, if you are true, show me yourself. And before I was finished with the sentence, that spirit had ran away. That is how my story basically began. That is not my story of conversion, but that's the beginning of my confusion. I knew that I have sins in my life, and I knew that He's just and He must judge me, and because of His justice, I deserve death. At that moment, I felt a touch on my left shoulder and a voice that says, I forgive you. And I didn't understand I did not understand how could that be possible, because I had heard Allah is forgiving and merciful, but we cannot know His forgiveness till the day of judgment. So I said, who are you that forgives me? And I feel forgiven today. And He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. And I did not understand what that means, because I had never heard those words. So I said, what is your name? And he said, Jesus Christ, the living God. I fell onto the floor, and I just wept.